filter is officially installed and it looks amazing. Here she is, check it out. So if you didn't watch my part 1 of this video series, let me get you up to speed. I bought this OEM air filter housing from JeepRecyclers.com. This came off of an existing Grand Wagoneer. They were able to sandblast it for me and then repaint it. It looks and feels amazing. They did a very, very good job. And then they also included this really nice hose. So the first time when I tried to install this, I wasn't able to because I found a hose that went to the engine. I believe this is a water pump hose or something of the sort. It ran into the inlet of where the air filter hose connects to, right here. So kind of ran into a little small issue there. And then I also found a couple extra things underneath of this air filter housing that wasn't supposed to be there. Go and check out my part 1 of this video to see what I found. But anyways, I got everything sorted out. I removed the hose. I had to disconnect it right up in here, and this goes to the radiator, which is kind of interesting. It goes to the radiator right here, and then someone somewhere down the line stuffed it through this hole and then out. But anyways, I got it through this hole where another hose is running to this little guy right here. So looks great. Got the hose, runs under the battery terminal cables and up to the air filter housing. However, I do need an air filter because the one I have right here, it's too big. It'll fit in there, but it'll only filter the air in one spot. Today after I got off work, I went to Walmart and attempted to buy an air filter for the Jeep, but sadly I wasn't able to buy one because I didn't have any left in stock. So I'll be checking with another Walmart tomorrow. I was planning to film a little cool edit. One last thing before I go. I need a hose that connects from here to here, that little C-shaped hose. But anyways, she's looking good and she should run better since now it'll be able to breathe. All I had before was this air filter, which came on the Jeep, and then it had a plate on the bottom and underneath, and then it just sat on top. So it wasn't really doing anything. It was taking in the warm air that was coming off of the engine, but now she will be able to breathe thanks to this hose and a proper air filter and housing. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing today. My name is Garrett and I'm restoring my 86 Grand Wagoneer. If you're into this kind of stuff, you're new around here, definitely subscribe because I got a lot more coming on this Jeep. I plan on fully restoring it. Stay tuned for everything I have planned for it. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot.